RBI transferred over 87,000 crore rupees to the government last year, and it is expected to transfer about 1 lakh crore to the government in FY 2025. But how does RBI earn all of this money? In 2023, RBI's main source of income was interest, from which it earned rupees 1.4 lakh crore rupees. You see, when the government needs money, it raises it from the public in the form of bonds. Think of these bonds as loans that the government is taking from the public, where it pays the bond owner an interest in return for the loan. RBI acts as the middleman in helping the government sell these bonds, and it also buys and sells these bonds in bulk from the investors to manage the money supply and inflation in the economy. So when the RBI is holding these bonds, it earns an interest. RBI also earns interest from the forex reserves that it holds, which are currently at $641 billion. And apart from the interest income, it also earns from other sources. For example, when it buys foreign exchange currency at a lower price and sells it at a higher price.